Hello and welcome to the channel. Here is the neighbor's cat cleaning himself. He's the father of our cats. And as you can see, the lily collection is now turning yellow. So it's time for me to harvest the seeds. And when I harvest the seeds, I usually put them in a net bag and put it in front of a ventilator for 1 or 2 days because they need to dry out. So sometimes I leave them for more than 2 days, sometimes a week, because I realize that if I don't do that, the seed pods are going to rot and the seeds will become infected with a fungus and it won't grow. So this is what I have to do soon. And as you can see, the other parts of my plant collection is also dying off, so it would be time for me to clean them sooner or later. This is my lovely dwarf hosta collection, mutants of blue mouse ears, other bigger hostas, and polygonatum, and oh, I should pick the basil because it's going to die soon. I still have some colchicum flowering, and I started to check my lily seedlings. So these ones are the ones which were alive at the time of checking them. These should be checked, and a few lovely plants are still the dark side of the moon. And you can see I started digging the bulbs, but the soil is so wet and compacted that it feels like cream, so it's not great. Well, it's a normal time of the year. Lilies turn yellow and then they just go dormant. Asiatics are first to go dormant, after martagons of course. So the country had some mild frosts. Fortunately we are spared, but within a couple of weeks we're going to have our first bigger frosts. And look at this, lily symptom rest virus symptoms are now present. So, but fortunately the trumpets are still okay. When I'm going to have soon my Licorice aurea in flower, hopefully before the frost comes. Alliums are also going dormant. So this is it. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.